I'm delighted to be able to announce today that the Northern Ireland Courts and Tribunal Service have been able to secure an extension to the contract with the International Conference Centre Belfast at the waterfront to extend the Nightingale Court facilities for another 2 months. Since those facilities opened in January, they have been a hugely important part of the Justice Recovery Programme that we have in place in order to clear the backlog of cases in the tribunals and court system that have built up during the COVID period. It has been a challenging period. We've had to do a lot of reconfiguration within our courts and also use facilities like this in order that we are able to provide access to justice in a COVID secure manner. I have been hugely impressed and I'm hugely indebted to both the staff in the Northern Ireland Courts and Tribunal Service, but also to the judiciary and indeed all of our justice partners and those who work in the legal profession. Without their support and without their encouragement and their commitment, we would not be able to have achieved what we have over recent days, being able to maintain access to justice, but also being able to address the backlog. And we're very grateful for their continued support. We're also very grateful to the management team at the International Conference Centre who have worked very closely with Northern Ireland Courts and Tribunal Service staff to ensure that we're able to provide a safe environment for the public to come to in order to do business. That business has ranged from disability and benefits tribunals right through to inquests, impaneling juries and the full gamut of business that would happen normally within the courts buildings themselves. This has provided us with extra space so that we're able to keep social distancing and all of the other COVID compliant measures in place. It is an important part of recovering justice and it is important that we are able to keep that going over the next few months. And hopefully it has been a mutually beneficial arrangement because of course with international conferencing also having been hit hard by the pandemic, the building may otherwise have stood empty. And I hope that by working together in this way we have managed to show good collaboration and cooperation is possible that is mutually beneficial and good for the public.